I want to say something so funny, but it's bogus.
What?
It's not like mean to you.
But like
It's funny.
But like I didn't have a life, or like I never got laid.
Yeah, this is why you never got laid.
Once again, kid, I know when I'm beat.
I'm getting this on video.
Yeah.
You're recording.
It's fine. It's fine.
All day.
Definitely. You about done? Come on.
Sorry, dude.
You're on the time. You're on the clock.
The video only goes for like 30 more seconds. Yeah,
Better hurry up.
There's gonna be a part 2 of this one.
The return of the Rubiks.
Yeah.
My phone's dying.
That sucks.
About done.
Ooh, damn it.
Close your eyes and do it.
How long at times would you do these in Virginia?
I managed to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube in under 2 minutes.
I mean, like, how long would you manage to figure out the pattern and shit?
It took me quite a long.
How long in a day, though?
I don't know, I just did like my spare time on and off. Like, you know, like I wouldn't have like Rubik's Cube jam sessions at my house every day. Like,
Are you sure?
pretty sure.
Just sit down and Rubik's it.
Sit down and Rubik's it. Yeah, I do that habit.
Go to someone watches like YouTube videos on how to get them real quick.
I actually have videos like that.
These fuckers are like frozen ice, man.
Well, they've been there for a while.
You know, I think that's what they're supposed to be.
They're hard to eat. Like, I have some at home and they're not this hard to eat.
Oh, those have been there for like 2 weeks.
Watch. I should be able to bite right into it.
Yeah. That wasn't right into it, was it?
I thought your teeth snapped for a second. God.
Could we like sue for that then?
No.
Like liability? No. I think we could.
I'd sue you.
I'd tell them that you beat them. 2 against 1. Doesn't hold up well in court.
You doesn't.
Cat just jumped on that
You're already
table.
getting that one, huh?
I nixed that thing like no other. So Jake.
I rubbed my dick on it.
Oh, it's
You're at 4 minutes.
I wasn't gonna solve this thing world record time. I told you I could solve it.
Broken now.
That's good.
Now no one's gonna solve.
My mom's gonna solve it. Or may not solve it forever.
It will, because it's broken. Did you drop it so it'd break so you could just put it back together the correct way?
Yes.
Sick, cat.
Yeah.
Run right in there and blocked him.
I'm gonna put this on your dating profile.
Pick up women in prison like no other. Like, I love a man who can solve a Rubik's Cube and figure out a way to get me the hell out of here.
You broke that, dude. Or,
You're closer than I ever thought you'd be.
You're closer than I ever thought you'd be. I see, I remember.
man it, girl.
Smash it, aim, baby.
Man it, girl.
Smash Smash it in belly.
How can you can't say your G's? It's weird.
I speak about it.
Smash it, girl.
Smash it in.
Say it.
Smang.
Say smang.
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 Say smang it.
Smang.
You're still doing a little. Say smang it.
Smang.
It. Now say it.
It.
Say it back.
Smang it.
Say smang it.
Smang it.
There you go.
Smang it, girl. Smash it in, baby. Smang it, girl. I know this is something that's it.
He said smang it, girl. Smash it and bang it.
Smash it in.
I stopped recording.
Really?
I'm trying to get a picture of you when you're done. It's gonna be it's gonna be like your happiness after you're done. I'm gonna hurry up and snap the picture. You're just ready.
You fucked it all up now. You got it. Wow.
That cat definitely took the hardest way to get around that chair.
Good, I hate this fucking put my feet in the chair.
No, that's the fourth.
Hmm?
That's the fourth card.
Hey.
Did you just destroy it all?
No.
You had it.
It's complex math, Tyler. It's algorithms. You wouldn't understand.
Do you understand?
Would I understand?
I think you just strung some words together you read on the internet.
Yeah, you did. I think you just move that bitch so fast that you just get lucky.
You always feel I know what I'm doing? Wait, no, that can't be it.
How could you know what you're doing? This is just randomly mixed up. I bet Joe could do it.
Yeah, but Joe would have been done by now.
Never start can't tie his shoes.
He would have been on 3 other ones.
He'd been done with that 6x6.
You expect to make me 6x6 and I can't?
Hmm?
Like, do you expect me to be angry because Joe can do 6x6 and I can't?
He did.
No, he can't.
I'm just messing around.
Well, no, like, I'm just telling you that. At least I can't tie his own shoes.
So, since he can't tie his
Is
own
that why you
shoes,
wear sandals too?
No, I wear sandals because I get socks.
wear socks and sandals.
No, it's so tacky and it doesn't make any sense.
It's
Might as
not
well wear
tacky.
shoes.
Yeah. Everyone does it.
That doesn't make it right.
That means you should do it too.
A lot of Germans participated in the Holocaust. Yeah, that was the cool thing back then.
Yeah. Socks and sandals is a cool thing now.
Like we're twisting beer shooters.
So you're telling me you'd rather die than get killed, or than killed?
I'm not gonna get killed for not wearing socks or sandals.
No, but your point you tried to make didn't make no sense though. You know what I'm saying?
The point I was trying to make was
Either
like
kill or die.
no. The point I was trying to make was just because everybody does it doesn't mean it's cool or a good thing.
But would you rather die or kill?
I don't understand that.
Let me put it something different. You said the Holocaust. Just because everybody's killing doesn't mean it's right. Would you rather be the killer or die? Just answer real quick. Would you rather be killed?
Are you trying to judge my moral
No.
character?
No. Would you rather kill or die? Just to answer it.
Kill? Like,
They-
die.
So then, you would be doing it then.
Go!
Because you were either killing or dying. You catch me?
Yes, I feel you, dog.
Rachel?
What,
You
Mr.?
ever seen him do that?
No.
He'll go. He'll like go. BAM! Scare. If he scares somebody, like they jump or something.
Yeah.
He'll go. Point.
Has he told you about the hammer breaking in front of his face before? He told us.
So many bullshit war stories.
He told us freshman year that someone was going to hit him in the face with a hammer, and it stopped right in front of his face and just shattered. I believe him.
Believe it.
And that he like crawls under tanks and places C4 on things.
So,
You say it. Let me inspect it.
it's cute.